Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and business owners. Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of paperwork? Specifically, those pesky invoices? You know the drill. Chasing down payments, manually entering data, and the constant worry of human error creeping in. Well, today we're diving deep into a question that's been burning in many of your minds. Can Xero automatically generate invoices? The short answer? Absolutely. But before we jump into the exciting world of automated invoicing in Xero, let's quickly understand why this is such a game changer for your business. The pain points of manual invoicing. Time-consuming. Let's be honest, manually creating invoices is a time-consuming nightmare. From gathering customer information to calculating taxes and applying discounts, it eats away precious hours that could be better spent on growing your business. Error-prone. Human error is inevitable. A misplaced decimal, a wrong customer address, or a missed discount can lead to costly mistakes, strained customer relationships, and delayed payments. Cash flow issues. Late payments can seriously impact your cash flow. Manual invoicing often leads to slow payment cycles, making it harder to manage expenses and invest in your business's growth. Reduced productivity. Spending hours on administrative tasks like invoicing can significantly impact your team's productivity. Imagine your sales team focusing on closing deals instead of wrestling with spreadsheets. Xero to the rescue, automating invoice generation. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Xero offers several powerful features that can automate your invoicing process, saving you time, reducing errors, and improving your cash flow. Here's a breakdown of some key functionalities. 1. Recurring invoices. The problem: you're providing recurring services like monthly subscriptions, maintenance contracts, or membership fees. Manually creating invoices for each cycle is a tedious and error-prone task. Xero's solution. Xero allows you to create recurring invoices. Simply set up the invoice once with all the necessary details, including the frequency, weekly, monthly, quarterly, etc., and the number of occurrences. Xero will automatically generate and send invoices to your customers on the scheduled dates. 2. Inventory management integration. The problem: you're selling products. Tracking inventory, creating accurate invoices with quantities and prices, and managing stock levels can be a logistical nightmare. Xero's solution. Xero seamlessly integrates with inventory management systems. When a customer places an order, the system automatically pulls the product information, pricing, and available stock levels, creating an accurate invoice in seconds. 3. Project tracking integration. The problem: you're running projects with multiple phases and deliverables. Tracking time spent on each task, generating accurate invoices based on project milestones, and managing project profitability can be complex. Xero's solution. Xero integrates with project management software. By tracking time and expenses within your project management system, Xero can automatically generate invoices based on project progress, ensuring you get paid for the work you've completed. 4. Automated payment reminders. The problem: chasing down late payments can be a time-consuming and frustrating experience. Xero's solution. Xero can automatically send friendly payment reminders to your customers via email. You can customize the reminder messages and schedule them to be sent at specific intervals. 5. Online invoicing and payments. The problem: waiting for checks to arrive in the mail can significantly delay your cash flow. Xero's solution. Xero allows you to send invoices online. Customers can easily view and pay invoices directly through the online portal using credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. This significantly speeds up the payment process and improves your cash flow. 6. Integrations with third-party apps. The problem: your business relies on a variety of tools and applications, and you need a solution that integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow. Xero's solution. Xero boasts a robust ecosystem of third-party integrations. Connect your favorite tools like e-commerce platforms, Shopify, WooCommerce, CRM systems, Salesforce, HubSpot, and accounting software to streamline your workflow and automate your invoicing process. Benefits of automated invoicing with Xero. Save time and money. Automating your invoicing process frees up valuable time for you and your team to focus on core business activities like sales, marketing, and customer service. Reduce errors and improve accuracy. By automating the invoicing process, you eliminate the risk of human error, ensuring accurate invoices and minimizing disputes. Improve cash flow. Faster payments translate to improved cash flow, allowing you to invest in your business's growth, pay bills on time, and take advantage of early payment discounts. Enhance customer satisfaction. Online invoicing and automated payment reminders make it easier for your customers to pay their bills on time, leading to happier customers and stronger relationships. Gain valuable insights. Xero provides valuable insights into your invoicing and payment data, allowing you to track key metrics like payment rates, late payment trends, and customer payment behavior. Getting started with automated invoicing in Xero. Understand your needs. Analyze your current invoicing process and identify the areas where automation can bring the most significant benefits. Customize your invoice templates. Create professional and branded invoice templates that reflect your business identity. Set up recurring invoices. Schedule recurring invoices for your subscription-based services or any other recurring revenue streams. Integrate with other tools. Connect Xero with your existing tools and applications to streamline your workflow. Train your team. Ensure your team is properly trained on how to use Xero's invoicing features and understand the benefits of automation. Monitor and optimize. Regularly review your invoicing data, track key metrics, and make adjustments to your processes as needed to optimize your invoicing efficiency. Tips for maximizing invoice automation in Xero. Use Xero's mobile app. Create and send invoices on the go from your smartphone or tablet. Take advantage of Xero's built-in bank feeds. Automatically reconcile bank transactions and track payments received. Explore Xero's add-ons. Discover a wide range of add-ons that can further enhance your invoicing capabilities. Stay updated with Xero's latest features. Xero is constantly evolving, so stay informed about the latest updates and features to optimize your invoicing process. Automating your invoicing process with Xero can significantly improve your business efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance your cash flow. By embracing these powerful features, you can free up your time, minimize errors, and focus on what you do best, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.